page, I looked at your math work and you're really close. You're almost there. You definitely understand the concept of graphing inequalities. There's a few little things. So on the first graph, x minus y greater than or equal to negative 10, you did it correctly. So you graphed using the x and y intercepts. I like to graph using the slope-intercept form, but graphing using the x and y intercepts works as well. You just forgot a minus sign. So the x-intercept where it crosses the x-axis is actually negative 10, 0 instead of 10, 0. And your work looked good except for just that little minus sign was missing. So that was that. And then if you pick the point 0, 0, you should get, it should be true. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 10, and so you should shade below the line. It just ended up confusing because you had that little thing there. The second line seemed good to me. It looked like you were shading above. So if you pick the point 0, 0 again, it is false that 0 is greater than or equal to 30, so you shade above the line, and that line looked great. The third line, it looked like you did your work right. It's kind of hard to see on the phone, but it looked like you did your work right, except for you just graphed, you mixed up the x and y intercepts when you graphed it. So your x-intercept should be 0, 20, and your y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis, your x-intercept where it crosses the x-axis should be 20, 0, and where it crosses the y-axis, it should be 0, 35. And then when you plug in 0, 0 as your test point, you should get 0 is less than or equal to 140, so you should shade below the line. When we put them all together, it should look something like that. I'll just move the graph a little bit. There you go. You can always check using Desmos. I just type in the line. It's desmos.com. Okay, thanks. Feel free to ask me any more questions. Have a great day.